Welcome to the Nico Brothers. I'm Ivan.
And I'm Mike.
And today we're working on a Hellcat. We're gonna get some primer on it, get some Bondo on it, body filler, sand it down, get it ready for the paint job. So a lot of little work, a lot of prep work, and it's gonna be fun.
Yeah, I mean, this part's very important, the prep work. It's not gonna turn out great, the paint job, unless we put a lot of time into the prep. So we're gonna sand it, make sure it looks great before we move on.
And also we're doing the giveaway, Comet Hellcat.
Yep.
And we'll tell you at the end of the video what it is. And also we're gonna pick who won the last guys. So
yeah, we'll show you what that sign is. Stay tuned.
All right, so I got the car off the frame machine. We took it apart a little bit, put some seam sealer on it. I'm gonna start putting some body filler on it. Not too bad. This shouldn't take too long. We'll take this trunk lid off. And we'll find there's a couple little dings on this door we're gonna fix. And yeah, lots of fun.
All right, Adam, what are we doing?
All right, we are going to sand it down, put some body filler on it, and you know, get some primer on it so we're ready for paint. Just the fun part of putting body filler on the car. Make the lines all good, and all like that. So.
Nice, let's do it. I'm gonna take this door panel off, the other side too, go around, finger paint the entire car, get this trim off. It's actually riveted inside, so we get that apart and go at it.
All right guys, this is the next day. It's in the morning. It's pretty nice out today. We got a lot of work done on the Hellcat yesterday. We got a filler put on, we primered it. Now we're gonna untape it and put it outside, let it sit for a little bit, let that primer cure and set up. And there's a lot of little stuff we gotta do to it still too. We gotta replace the upper radiator support.
Yeah, I'm trying to get that done today.
The rebar, you know, and then there's a lot of scuffing and stuff. We're gonna take the stripes off the roof because we're gonna paint the roof.
Yeah, paint the entire car.
We're pretty much paint the whole car, so a lot of little stuff to do, get it ready for the paint job.
All right, sounds good. Stay tuned and follow us along.
You made it.
1 for 1.
1 for 1. Can you do it again?
Oh yeah.
You weren't supposed to untape that. We had a game plan. What's going on, Michael?
We already said untape everything.
Except the door, Jam.
What?
I'm just kidding. He made it.
Window? Just leave that one alone.
Yeah, because we're gonna sand, so. The back one, leave it alone, just the top. What if we paint the stripes?
It's definitely unique.
Too much work. Oh, you made it! This is fun watching you work.
Door off?
Yeah, take it off. Look at that. It took me like 20 minutes to tape it up. And it
I
took
can
you like...
take slower if you want.
Nah. Done. Will he make it? 3 for 3.
Think so.
Oh, nope. Wow. Not bad. Yeah, but you still got this door yet on tape. What's going on? Had a little dent right there. Dent no more. Okay. So while it's gonna be outside drying, we're gonna get Michael to replace the upper radiator support and the little cooler and the rebar.
Anything else?
And you can wash it.
That's true.
Well, we don't need no water inside, so. There we go. Ooh, we gotta put the lock back on.
I'm gonna take the door off anyway.
Yeah. Can he make it?
All those years of knockout.
You got 2?
That was closer than that.
Well, it's a good thing we don't play basketball.
So next we gotta replace that radiator support, the top one right there. See, it's cracked. This piece is just missing altogether. So we're gonna get the new one scuffed. We'll get it painted to look OEM. Good to go. rebar. Jam out the fenders. Reinforcement. Basically just get all that stuff painted, we could put it back in the car, and then when we paint the car, the whole thing entirely, the parts that I can't get to are already gonna be painted, so I don't have to take it off anymore. That's the plan, let's get it done. While my parts are drying, I'll go ahead and change this cooler out. All right. Gotta take all those parts off. Let's do it. All right, ready to get that cooler off, but I don't want the radiator fluid to go everywhere, so we got these. Shout out to my brother-in-law Slavic for hooking us up with these. They're nice. Pinch the tube, no mess, everybody's happy. Got the reinforcement bar on, looks good. Now I'll do the radiator sport.
All right guys, it's time to do the giveaway. Since we got 281 comments, we're gonna pick 2 winners of the sign that we made. That's from the quarter panel, guys. So let's pick it. 281. First number is gonna be 18. Next number, 246. Let's do a little bit. So our winner is Jeremy Jensen. So, heck yeah, you won this time. And Carl P, you won it. Alright guys, we'll send you an email. Don't forget, we're gonna do another giveaway. All you have to do is comment Hellcat, and you guys can win one of these. Or, we have 3 of them. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, share, and we'll see you on the next one.